All right, let's break down this ad, this Botox ad from Dr. Trini Vega in Harbor Island. It says, ready to look the way you've always wanted, smooth skin, no wrinkles, and a natural touch. Get Botox Dysport for $9.99 per unit, minimum 40 units. All right, the offer is fire, solid, $9.99 a unit for Botox or Dysport. Very competitive, especially in this market. But the delivery, way too clinical and generic, right? It opens with ready to look the way you've always wanted. Not bad, but also not specific or emotionally loaded. What does it actually mean, right? Look like a model, a younger version of yourself, a glowed up version of who you are today. Next line, smooth skin, no wrinkles, and a natural touch. Okay, we're talking benefits here, but it's very surface level. There's no emotional payoff, no identity appeal, no sensory detail. And the offer itself, $9.99 for Botox or Dysport, minimum 40 units. This is strong, but it's buried in the middle. Let's flip that and lead with that. There's also no urgency, no social proof, no local call out, no call to action. All right, so we're gonna give this add some heat, some energy, and a dose of I need this now scroll stopping vibe. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my $97 ad rewrite playbook to rewrite this ad. Go ahead and grab a screenshot of it and drop it here in my document. All right. This is a little bigger. All right, we're only going to focus on the copy and the headline. And so we're going to start with a confident identity plus city call out. So we're going to say, hey, Harbor Islands, want Botox that actually looks natural. Now we're going to leave with the urgency and the offer and the urgency. So this week only Botox or Dysport, just $9.99 a unit, minimum 40. Okay. And we're going to add in the emotional benefit, how they feel post treatment. So glowier, clearer selfies, smoother skin, confidence on 100. No frown lines, no harsh freeze, just lifted plus fresh. Let's add in credibility and lifestyle payoff. So done by Dr. Trini Vega, a master injector with real finesse. Let's add some scarcity and exclusivity. So new client deal, only 12 openings this week. We'll walk you through everything. No guesswork. You'll walk out ready for any close-up or occasion. So let's reinforce some urgency before the call to action. This pricing drops after Sunday. Don't wait. Comment fresh and we'll DM you the link to book. All right, now I'm going to add in our headlines. So headline number 1, Botox $9.99 in Harbor Island, look snatched, not frozen. All right, and so that's our copy. So it says, hey, Harbor Island, want Botox that actually looks natural. This week only, Botox or Dysport, just $9.99 a unit, minimum 40. Glowier selfie, smoother skin, confidence on 100. No frown lines, no harsh freeze. Just lifted plus fresh. Done by Dr. Trini Vega, a master injector with real finesse. New client deal, only 12 openings this week. We'll walk you through everything, no guesswork. You'll walk out ready for any close-up or occasion. This price drops after Sunday. Don't wait. Comment fresh and we'll DM you the link to book. All right, so in this rewrite, we swapped out the safe, soft clinical language and injected some status, clarity, and energy. We led with Harbor Islands to grab local attention and made the $9.99 unit offer impossible to miss. Instead of saying smooth skin, we use emotional and sensory triggers, glowier selfies, lifted plus fresh, and confident on 100. We name drop the injector, Dr. Trini Vega, for authority and trust, and close with a call to action that feels native to how real people interact. Comment, refresh, and we'll DM you. Right? Fast, frictionless, and high converting. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.